Hi, I'm Matt. In today's video, we're going to have a tutorial video. And this video entitled, The 5 Skills in Volleyball. Skill number 1, Serving. The players stand behind the inline and serve the ball they attempt to drive it to opponent's court. His or her main objective is to make it land and set in court. It is also desirable to set the ball's direction speed as shown to handle the ball. We have two types of serving. We have the underhand and the overhand. Skill number 2, Setting. The setting uses a second contact that the team makes upon. The main goal of setting is with the ball in the air such a way can be driven by attack to the opponent's court. The setters coordinates the offensive movement of the team and its player while ultimately decide which player would attack the ball. Skill number 3, Passing. It is also called as reception. It is a step by team to proper handle the ball upon serving or any form of attack. Proper handling improves not only prevents from touching the court but also make it tricks the decision of setters, standing, coupling behind, and precisely which lead to setting. Skill number 4, Blocking. Block is referred to action taken by players standing at the net to stop or to alter the opponent's attack. Block that is aimed completely stacking the ball, thus making the ball remain at the opponent's court, is called offensive. A well-executed offensive blocking is performed by jumping and reaching to penetrate from one's arm and hand over the net to opponent's court. Skill number 5, Spiking. Attack, also known as spiking, as using as the third contact. A team make the ball. The objective of attacking is to hand the ball and to make it land on the opponent's court and cannot be defended. A pair must make a serious step, the approach, jump, and swing up the ball. And that's the 5 skills in volleyball. Again, I'm Aeron Baes, 2B2 Electronics.